Hey guys, what's up? It's Mag. Today we got a couple things going for you. Going on today. Basically, I'm going to do a review of my GoPro. My thing that you just got to tighten it up, but the GoPro pole, I guess, free. Made it free right here. It can adjust, and you can do whatever you need to do with it. But it's just made with a with an older ski pole or whatever. But it works pretty good. But yeah, I mean, it's just pretty much. I've got the Hero 3 on it, and Sunday I'm supposed to be riding 4-wheelers, and I think I'm going to strap a couple GoPros or our quads or something for a couple hours, and we'll get some footage or whatever of that, and a couple mudding videos maybe for you. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how I sharpen all my chainsaw chains. I'm not going to do them all because I've got like 28 of them, but I'm going to do like 5 of them because I've got a big job tomorrow and I need my 192, and I don't need the 290. I may do a couple of them, but I'll probably do 4 or 5 of the 192 chains and then a couple of the 20-inch chains. The 192 chains, they're actually they're 14 inches. So. But anyway, let's go down to the shop and I'll show you that next. Alright, hey guys, what's up? I'm back down here in my shop now. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to sharpen a couple of these 192s real quick. I only need like 2 or 3 maybe. We really don't have to do much cutting with the chainsaw, so I'll probably do like 2 or 3 of these little ones and then maybe like 1 big one because I think we got some bigger shit to cut. But yeah, so basically it's already set up, and you just put the chain in here and you got it alternate each side, so that kind of sucks, but you know, that's just what happens. But so yeah, you flip the switch on and make sure you're wearing safety glasses, and you just want to go down just like this. Hold on, I need 2 just enough. Yeah, just right. Can you do it up? Okay, this one you gotta go through. So, but it's not just depending on this, and you can have these things done. And you activities, so I know, they don't seem that money. I've got so many videos about AI, but that's just what that is, It's got really a blue there. Hopefully you want to go real film a little bit, so. Let me pass it for you. Okay. Keep going. I got that one. Yeah. Alright, cut it. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to switch it back over. Oh, and it's cutting at 35, by the way. So, I don't know. I guess that's right. And then just tighten it back up. And then now we'll start cutting the other ones. Just loosen this up. And pull it back. Lock it. Alright, cut it. Alright, what's up guys? So now I'm just sitting here, and I just started this 20-inch chain, so I'm just moving along a little bit here, and ooh, sucks guys, I hate doing this. I need it. That's the thing, I need it tomorrow, so gotta do it myself.
Yeah.
Good shit. Yeah, son. I made one more. Thanks, no bad.
Don't forget your face.
I'm keeping the one. I'm okay. I'm okay. Damn, two more.
Okay, guys, I think done. For real.
No, I haven't.
I can tell.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. So I think I'm gonna do one more 192 chain and I'll be done for the night, but yeah, I mean this is pretty much it. So you guys take it easy, make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me go throw this video up. Actually I posted it a couple times, but it didn't work right. So, but hopefully I can get it to work right tonight because it pissed me off last night. Oh yeah, let me show you this too over here. This is my Kawasaki Prairie 650. It's got Mudzillas on it. They're pretty nice. But maybe I'll make a video of this shortly. It's pretty muddy from riding last weekend. But yeah, 650. It'll do like 70 almost. So it's pretty fast four-wheeler. But anyway, you guys take it easy. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, take it easy. Bye.